Hello, this is Carl from the Hudson Highlands Nature Museum, out for a little nature walk, and I wanted to show you guys how I like to roll a log over. So what you do is when you find a log, I stand on one side of the log and I always pull the log or roll it towards me. So if there's something scared and wants to get away, it goes that way. If you roll the log away from you, then it's scared because we're both staring at each other. So what I want to do is roll this log over. And here I have a nice big long log, and what I'm going to try to do is stand on this side and I'm going to carefully pull it towards me and see. All right, first try. All right, I found something. This is a redback salamander. Let's see if I can zoom in. There he is. So here we have a little redback salamander. Oh, isn't he cute? He actually comes in different color phases. He's trying to get away from me. They come in gray phase and red phase. And I don't really want to try to grab him and pick him up because they are lungless, I believe. So they have that slimy skin, and they can't breathe if you damage the skin. There's a little tail flicking. That's another reason why I don't want to pick them up. If you grab them by the tail, you could accidentally break it off. That's their last defense mechanism. If an animal grabs them, a predator, the tail will snap, and they can get away. They do hurt. Oh, look at that. What else we got there? We got two of them, it looks like. I didn't even see that. There's another one underneath it. There's his little head. Cool. So yeah, I don't want to ruin his little defense mechanism, so I'm going to be really careful. If you ever do pick one up, you got to be really gentle. You just scoop them. Your hands have to be wet. You don't want to damage that skin. And also, when you put them back, I always like to roll the log or lift it and put it back exactly where they found it, and then they can crawl back underneath it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to need two hands to do that. So what I'm going to do is make sure I can put it back the way I found it. So I'm going to sign off for now, but hopefully you had fun looking at a little redback salamander. He's a cute little carnivore who's eating every little bug he can find underneath there. Thanks for joining me. Bye.